Welcome back to Amnesia, The Dark Descent. Let's continue from where we left off. Alright, so it looks like we got blocked off, so we have to find a way around it, I'm guessing. Which I'm guessing is that. Did you get this open? Fragile but not breakable by hand. Throw a book at it? Everyone knows books are stronger than hands. Damn. A rock? Alright, maybe this will work. There we go.
You have to be swift when you activate the first one. You hear that? If it stops, you'll have to start over.
Isn't all this a bit excessive?
You can never be too careful, Daniel.
What was talking about then? Oh. Alright. That's locked. Put that back up there. Lantern. Oil. Alright, so that way's locked and we don't go back. I don't think there's anything else on the shelves. It's weird. Well, it's the same noise. What do you do now? Oh. There's another one. Oh, do you have to like pull a certain amount? Okay, let's look at them. Okay, one. Okay. Another bookshelf. Alright. Let's continue on. Key. The drawers first. Note. Wellman and his fools have endangered my research long enough. With their absent-minded handling of the human vessels, the sheriff is keeping a watchful eye on the forest and is killing my trusty servants. It's just a matter of time until they follow the trail to Brenningburg, and I need to lock Wilhelm and his men up to avoid further investigation from the public. The wine cellar will therefore be sealed off until the matter has been handled. Either the king's men leave or they will starve. Whatever comes first, they can rot for all I care. Maybe if I feed them some wine, it would in sense solve both of my problems. So they were locking people up, huh? What was that? Oh, the door opened. Alright, I guess. Right? We got the wine cellar key. Should go back then. That's how I entered. Oh! Okay. get back? Um, Holy shit. Okay. I'm guessing it wants me to go this way. Oh no, please no. Oh god. Ah, I hate these noises. Please stop. Oh my god. Looks like this place was searched. Come on. No? Not going in? Alright. Won't budge again. Oh wait, we have the key. How do we get out of here? Been everywhere. Oh, wait, there's a door here. Entrance hall. Oh my. Oh, what? What? Okay. That's messed up. Ah, god damn it. Stop it, please. Alright. Okay, so the wine cellar's down here. Laboratory, that's where we went in. Oh. My heart rate is so high right now. Okay. So it's not responding for a second there. Noises are horrible. Oh. Why? Why? Oh my god, I hate this game. Oh no. Alright. Ow. Why? That me? That was a really deep gasp. Box. So disorienting. What's that? It contains a few drops of oil. Refill lantern with a few drops of oil. The barrel is no oil. Wow. You did a lot for me. Thank you. Would I just move everything out of the way? There's no other way here. Please regain your vision. Okay, maybe. Come on. Come on. Alright, guess that works. What? Someone calling? Alright. Oh. Oh god. Alright. Wait. What? Oh. Oh shoot.
What's happening? Oh, feels like my chest is going to burst.
Ah.
Wilhelm, do something! Accept it. We're not getting out of here alive. How can you say that? Alexander, you piece of shit! Let us out of here!
So Alexander was a traitor? I can't do anything with that. There's a note. I'm not gonna do that. Alright, well, there's nothing else over here. So we have to go over here. Another door that way. Okay. That's not good. If an enemy's near, stay out of sight and hide in the darkness. Oh no, they're coming, aren't they? Please, God, stop. Oh. Okay. Hate the sound of other people walking. What do we got? Oh, we got 4. Alright, let's go back to the lavatory. Get out of here. Alright. Oh, stop it. Stop it. Stop! God damn it. Oh, I have to go to the laboratory, though. Can I even get there?